What is social media marketing? What is social media marketing? How does it work? And why should you care? Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience, build relationships, and increase brand awareness. It's also a great way to drive traffic to your website or blog and generate leads or sales. Social media marketing can be done through organic reach or paid advertising. Organic reach is when you post content on social media platforms for free in the hopes that it will be seen by a lot of people. First, you need to identify your target audience. This will help you focus your efforts and create targeted campaigns. Next, you need to set goals for your social media marketing efforts. What do you hope to achieve? More brand awareness, leads, or sales? Having clear goals will help you measure your success. Now it's time to create a social media plan. This should include what type of content you will post, how often you will post, and which social media platforms you will focus on. It's also important to have a call to action. What do you want people to do after they interact with your social media content? Visit your website, sign up for your email list, or make a purchase. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to start posting. Be sure to use high-quality images and videos in your posts. This will help you stand out from the competition and capture attention. Also, don't forget to use relevant hashtags. This will help people find your content when they search for specific topics. Finally, track your results and make adjustments as needed. This will help you improve your social media marketing efforts over time. Paid advertising, on the other hand, is when you pay to promote your content on social media platforms. It's a great tool for scheduling posts, tracking results, and engaging with your audience. The most popular social media platforms for marketing purposes are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. But new ones pop up all the time, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends. Now that we've covered the basics of what social media marketing is, let's dive a little deeper into how it works. First, you need to create a social media presence by setting up profiles on relevant platforms and posting engaging content. Social media platforms make it easy to engage with your customers and build relationships. This can lead to increased brand loyalty and sales. Second, social media marketing is very cost-effective. You can reach a large audience without spending a lot of money. This makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes. Third, social media marketing can help you generate leads and sales. When done correctly, social media marketing can help you reach new customers and promote your products or services. This can result in increased leads and sales. Fourth, social media marketing can help you track your results. Most social media platforms provide analytics so you can track the success of your campaigns. This allows you to make adjustments and improve your results over time. Fifth, it's a great way to build your brand. Social media marketing can help you create a strong brand identity. This can lead to increased brand awareness and recognition. This will help you build relationships with potential customers and establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Next, you need to run social media ads. This is a great way to reach new audiences and promote your products or services. You can also use social media ads to retarget people who have already interacted with your brand. Finally, you need to track your results and make adjustments as needed. This is important to ensure that your social media marketing efforts are effective and that you're getting the most out of your investment. There are many benefits to using social media marketing. First, it's a great way to connect with your audience. Now that you know the benefits of social media marketing, let's take a look at some tips for getting started. If you're really looking for a social media management tool to help you get started with social media marketing, we recommend trying out